all these options for cigar talk just for tonight. Friends, telling you one thing, it's gonna be big night and it's gonna be an awesome conversation. So be with me, friends. हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं नवनीत हुड्डा, योर सिगार अफ्रीकानो एंड लिकर कॉन्सियर एक बार फिर से आपका अपने चैनल पर स्वागत करता हूं। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की जो सिगार टॉक एंड लाइफस्टाइल टॉक होने वाली है वो होने वाली है बहुत ही अमेजिंग, बिकॉज टुडे द पर्सन हु इनवाइटेड मी टू ड्रिंक ऑल दिस, आई मीन ऑल ऑफ इट, लिटिल बिट, सो आई डोंट नो हाउ इट्स गोना बी, और बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेजी होने वाला ये तो आप जानते ही हैं। बट उनके साथ जो कन्वर्सेशन रहेगा सिगार के बारे में, उनकी लाइफस्टाइल एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में, एंड उन्होंने जो अपना करियर डेडिकेट किया है अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री में, उस कन्वर्सेशन को भी। सो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था, आज पर्सनालिटी जो मेरे साथ सिगार स्मोकिंग करने वाले हैं वो हैं मिस्टर अजय दीवान सर। सर, वेलकम टू द चैनल।
It's great to be on this.
And first of all, thank you so much for inviting me to drink all your alcohol.
Yeah, you finish all of it today in one day.
one day. That's quite a challenge actually. So, friends, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा, सर अपने past 4 decade के experience आज हमसे share करेंगे in alcohol industry, right sir?
Tell me what you want to know.
That's it. Ask it and you will get the answer. That's how it is. The legend always have the answer. So, the first, we're gonna open Glenlivet 15-year-old. We're gonna start with this. और उसके बाद जो कलेक्शन है, मैं तो सारा पी के जाने वाला हूँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा, ज़्यादा तो नहीं पी जाएगी, लेकिन इतनी सारी मिक्स करनी पड़ेगी, थोड़ी थोड़ी तो सारी ट्राई करूँगा। और कुछ इसमें बहुत ही लिमिटेड एडिशन कलेक्शन है अंकल के पास, सो डेफिनेटली। सो लेट्स ओपन अप एंड पोर द फर्स्ट ड्रिंक। Fruity. See, I'm not gonna do this 30 ml or 60 ml. I'm just gonna go with the flow. So what do you reckon my pouring without pourer? I think it's all equal. So cheers now. Let's start it. Thank you for giving me the honor to crack the bottle. Thank you so much sir. And ऐसा करते हैं, अब ड्रिंक तो हमने ले लिया है, तो सिगार के बारे में मैं आपको छोटा सा एक इंट्रो दे देता हूँ। एंड वी कट अप द सिगार, लाइट एंड स्मोक एंड पेयर, ठीक है। सो बेसिकली इट्स द ब्रांड CEO Nicaragua. Cigar is actually, let me take it out. मैं एक बार इसको पैकिंग से बाहर निकाल लेता हूँ नाइसली। सो बेसिकली क्या है सर, cigar divided into 3 different categories of tobacco.
Yeah. Okay.
The top one is called wrapper. उसके अंदर filler and then binder.
Okay.
So ये जो 3 categories हैं basically, और वो depend करता है कि origin of tobacco, how the tobacco is aged, how it procure and everything. So cigar will be more tasty and more delicious. Basically जो particular cigar stick हम smoke करेंगे, ये जो इसका जो टबैको है वो निकरागुआ एक ओरिजिन है। इट्स लाइक अ स्मॉल कंट्री आफ्टर द मैक्सिको। एंड इसका जो सिगार नोट है वो स्टार्टिंग स्मोक है थानी पेपरी स्पाइसी, और उसके बाद रोस्टेड नट, एंड इट्स मीडियम टू फुल बॉडी सिगार। बेसिकली द रैपर इज फ्रॉम Honduras, and the inner tobacco which is binder and filler which comes from the Nicaragua.
That is what I like about this. You know what now I'm understanding is that your understanding on cigars is great. And we have been having cigars since the past 30 years and not fully aware of how it is divided within one cigar.
Within one cigar.
Right. That is one.
हाँ जी.
अभी तक हम जो पीते आए हैं ना ever,
Yeah.
so we've been liking the taste, the
Okay.
aroma, whatever within
ठीक,
our
ठीक.
own, without having great knowledge about the cigars.
Yeah.
But I've till now whatever little I've been having along with cigarettes,
Definitely.
you know,
हाँ
I've
जी.
been liking. But explaining it in such a way is good. It's an eye
एंड
opener.
वन मोर थिंग सर, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि एक एवरेज सिगार को मैन्युफैक्चर करने में, लाइक टू एज द टबैको फॉर प्रॉपर टाइम पीरियड, सो इट विल बी बिकम अ ब्यूटीफुल स्मोक इनटू सिगार. उसको व्यूज़ मैं आपको बताऊंगा. देखिए, मिनिमम सिगार को बनने के लिए 5 ईयर टाइम पीरियड चाहिए होता है. 5 साल का टाइम चाहिए सर.
Okay.
सो एटलीस्ट any cigar you smoke, you thank to the God and thank to those people. They make those cigars, put a lot of efforts, and then after it age for certain longer time period.
Okay.
And then we smoke and pair and we talk and enjoy the conversation.
So that is where the whiskey goes along with the cigar, right?
Whiskey goes with the
Again, aged here, this side and that
definitely.
side, both. Okay.
See, definitely. Actually, the alcohol is also a process of aging.
It is.
It's a wine,
It is.
red wine, white wine. आप ले लीजिए कोई भी आप scotch, single malt,
Yeah,
rum.
yeah.
They all goes with the aging processes. You know, age is it's actually the golden time duration which become the legendary things comes out of the certain time period. तो exactly the same जैसे कि आप बता रहे थे स्कॉच के बारे में. आप मेरी आपसे बात हुई तो आपने बताया था स्कॉच काफ़ी
See, I'll
सारे.
tell you one thing about Scotch. You must have noticed that Scotches mainly are 12-year-olds and above.
12. Yes.
But there is also an 8-year-old, 10-year-old also.
Yes.
Like Lefroy is a 10-year-old.
Okay.
You have, there are 8-year-old Scotches also. See, it doesn't mean that the whole spirit is 8-year-old.
Yeah. Definitely.
An 8-year-old spirit is mixed into their normal spirit, which is age 2, 3, 4 years,
3 years.
depending on company to company.
company.
But that is, if they put the age spirit in it, then they're right. And the good part is that they will not write if the spirit is not aged.
Spirit. Okay. That's
So if they are putting a 12-year-old age spirit, mixing it, they will write 12 years, 15, 18, 21, whatever.
okay.
Normally, a whiskey is a normal whiskey mixed with the aged spirit, which is kept in the
Okay.
cask for years and years.
Okay.
And the companies who are keeping spirits for 50 years. But nowadays what is happening, the whole thing is coming down. The aged spirits are really not available, even in Scotland.
Okay.
So now mainly companies are turning to a mix or something else, not writing the number of
Writing
years.
the number of
Number
that's
of
true,
years,
that's true.
and they are still pricing it
Still pricing
a little
higher.
higher. It's a great marketing gimmick, you know. It's pure marketing gimmick. People go for, in India especially, or even outside, I would say, they look at the rate. Oh, this is a better. They're not reading whether it is 12-year-old or 15 or what.
डेफिनेटली. एक्चुअली मैं हमेशा मैं कभी भी कोई अल्कोहल परचेज करता हूँ सर, इवन फ्रॉम द ड्यूटी फ्री शॉप, अगर मैं ट्रैवलिंग कर रहा हूँ तो मैं आई ऑलवेज गो थ्रू द होल मेन्यू एंड व्हाटएवर द डिस्टिलरी एंड व्हाटएवर द एजिंग प्रोसेस, स्पेशली बिकॉज मैं थोड़ी, मेरी जो फर्स्ट चॉइस है सर वो रहती है कि मैं बैरल एज्ड,
Okay.
cask and barrel aged, जो especially you know American oak and all that kind of flavor, क्योंकि उनका जो flavor होता है वो बहुत like sweet and you know cherry and
The flavor comes from the wood.
Yes,
It
definitely.
comes from the wood. The casks, the oak cask or whatever cask, the companies import these casks, they make their own type of cask, they'll
Yeah.
ask for that special wood.
Yes.
And each company has a separate type of whiskey which they are making, you know.
Definitely.
And they don't tell this secret to everyone. It's
Of course,
supposed
it's a
to be-
recipe, you know.
Oh, yeah, it's
वो
supposed
क्यों-
to be.
हाँ जी.
But normally one gets to know कि ऐसे बना है वैसे बना है.
Definitely.
But the major difference comes from the wood initially. Although single malts are quite different.
हाँ, yeah, definitely, yes. So, sir, light up करते हैं cigar को और let's begin the conversation and drinking
Let
more.
me try. Tell me one thing, like
Yes.
we're talking of the aged whiskies right now. Are cigars, like you said, they are aged minimum 5 years or whatever, and
Yeah.
they are very
Yes,
good cigars.
yes.
And I also know, I've had good cigars also with friends and others over the past so many years, but not fully understanding. Although I like the taste, I like the aroma. Even tea I would like to have, which has a very good aroma.
Yes.
Whiskies, naturally, it's been my life all through.
Definitely.
So, do people write the number of years in cigars also or not?
See, some of the limited edition,
Yeah.
some of the special event, like and some of those cigars which dedicated to the certain time period,
Yeah.
they mention
They mentioned.
20-year-old, 10-year-old.
That's good.
It's but the minimum time period एज अ सेट कि जो कम से कम टाइम पीरियड है सर, वो 5 साल 3 to 5 ईयर तो आपको चाहिए ही चाहिए एक अच्छा सिगार बनाने के लिए.
Okay.
The moment you put the seed on the ground, and the moment cigar comes out of factory like this, it takes minimum 3 to 5 years.
Good. Very good.
By the time plant grows, then they pick off, and then they all those tobacco leaves वो proper drying process में जाते हैं, then humidification के लिए जाते हैं, then aging process के बाद फिर वो rollers के पास जाते हैं.
Okay.
रोलर फिर उनको रोल करते हैं. रोल करने के बाद में सर वो फिर उसके बाद में जब वो रॉ फॉर्म उसकी प्रेसिंग में कोई बॉक्स प्रेस है या कोई अलग अलग शेप्स हैं, साइजेस हैं, वो प्रिपेयर करने के बाद में देन व्हेन इट्स रेडी दे पुट इन फॉर ह्यूमिडोर टू गेट द एक्स्ट्रा एज.
ओके.
समटाइम वो क्या करते हैं कि जब टबैको, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टबैको टू एक्चुअली. यस श्योर.
टेस्ट द अरोमा ऑफ दिस.
या ऑफ कोर्स डेफिनेटली. Very fruity actually for me.
I would like you to have different whiskeys
Different.
today.
Yeah, actually.
You normally people what do they don't mix. उनको लगता है कि हम मिक्स करेंगे तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. As far as the liquid, the spirit is concerned, it's all normal spirit, except that single malts are made from barley. You can keep having one whiskey or the another. तुम्हारे कुछ उल्टा नहीं होने वाला.
नहीं होने.
Don't mix it with beer or something.
Yeah, of course. That will be.
But as far as your within spirits, keep having different. And I want you to try different whiskeys, just to see the difference of aroma, the difference of taste, and smell it. And then rotate it on your tongue.
Yes.
To see what. And I am very happy you have it neat, like I
actually,
do.
I drink.
Only thing I put some ice also.
Yes. Because of that, sir, जैसे आपने बताया ना aroma and taste, me myself, you know, I believe in like if there is no taste, there is no life.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
So that's why मैं हमेशा neat drink करता हूँ. और because of the note and the flavor, and then I compare with the cigar. Sometimes I go with a good coffee. I go out for the coffee shop and all that. Then I smoke a cigar and compare with those like little coffee note how they come up with the cigar pairing. And I have actually a big notebook, like I call it my cigar Bible. It's a big, and whatever I smoked it, however I smoked it, whichever brand and whichever whiskey and coffee I smoked it, I have all written down my own notes.
Acha, very good.
It's a big collection. Maybe one day I'm gonna put in front of the camera, तो सभी को पता चले कि यहाँ.
I would like to see.
Yeah, definitely we will. Let's go with the cigar first, and then
do it.
You know,
let's start.
Let me cut it off and.
Okay.
So actually,
yeah, I'm
just
aware
to the
of
edge.
This. Yes. Right. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, अब तुमने since you cut it, you know, I'm just inquisitive. I've seen a lot of people having cigars, वो माचिस की तीली लेके पीछे से put a hole inside and then they smoke.
Actually,
what is the difference?
See this, generally when the cigar got manufactured, जो cigar manufacturing होती है सर, उसके बाद में ना पूरे रोल करने के बाद वो एक ऊपर कैप लगाते हैं जो इसको सोल्ड करती है, जो प्रॉपर शेप देती है. अब उसमें क्या होता है कि सर आज की डेट में there is 2 or 3 methods you can cut, which is it just my choice of cutter, which I use it all the time.
No, but I've seen ads of cigars. If ever I've seen, whenever I see, they do it like this.
हाँ जी. और there is another one comes which gives you the like a hole, a puncher cut.
Yes.
So it comes like वो ना उसके अंदर जाएगा, थोड़ा सा डॉट बना देगा और निकाल लेगा. Then there is a special V type of cutting.
Okay.
So they comes in a different shape and. तो जब आप कट देते हैं तो rather than have a this kind of cut flat, it will have a like a V kind of cut.
Okay. And what is the difference between?
It's no difference, sir. It's just personal choice.
The personal choice.
Personal choice.
Taste remains the same. The aroma remains the same.
Everything.
Tobacco is the same. So
everything is same.
Okay.
It's gonna be. It's no difference. Only thing is, I like to cut it like my choice is this one, just normal cutting style. I like the noise of it, and when I cut it, it gives me the feel. You know what I mean? When you crack a bottle, जब आप bottle crack करते हैं और खोलते हैं तो आपको you got the passion inside you. Now I'm gonna start here.
How's it coming out? How many times have you had this cigar before?
I had it twice before.
Acha? Okay.
Yes, and because See, this cigar is because Nicaraguan tobacco is actually gives you very high texture of the tobacco flavor note, and the same with the Dominican tobacco is bit more little mild.
Okay.
Plus it depends on like कि आप कौन सा seed कौन सा tobacco कहाँ prepare किया हुआ है.
हाँ.
So Nicaraguan tobacco generally it's actually and my choice of tobacco is also like a Maduro. The
Okay.
wrapper comes up with the Maduro, the dark chocolatey one. वो उसमें क्योंकि वो थोड़ा बिकॉज आई एम फाउंड ऑफ टेस्ट कि मेरे को थोड़ा ज़्यादा टेस्ट लगता है उसके अंदर बट दिस वन द फर्स्ट पफ वाज
Yeah, but I'm liking it, you know. This,
Yeah,
the
because
smell
it's-
which is
yes.
coming is nice.
see cigar fragrance and the cigarette is totally different.
And are you getting it in India always available?
Yeah, I get it actually. I buy some from online. There is some retailers in India as well.
Okay.
आप इंडिया में कुछ रिटेलर्स हैं, आप उनसे भी खरीद
जो
सकते हैं.
premium cigars are.
यस यस कुछ
Yeah.
रिटेलर्स हैं सर,
Yeah.
वो लोग सेल करते हैं बट इट डिपेंड ऑन चॉइस बिकॉज इंडिया में सारे वास्ट वैरायटी जो कलेक्शन है वो है नहीं हमारे यहाँ पर.
अच्छा.
ड्यू टू बहुत सारे लोग स्मोक नहीं करते या बहुत सारे लोग
But I've seen
carry
everybody, friends of mine who smoke, whether it's a pipe tobacco
Pipe
or
tobacco.
cigars, they normally try and get it from outside India. Whenever they're coming back, no, they would buy it maybe from some good shop there. If they get it in duty free, they will
Yes,
buy it from
yes.
there. I've seen those.
Yeah.
Let's see. Now cut it for
Please.
me. Let me
Hey,
see how you cut it. Again.
my one this way. So there's a just little cap on the top, so
Right.
you can take it off that much.
It comes out.
Yeah, here with the
Do it. Let me
okay.
see.
Okay, see, I'm gonna show you. That's the edge of it, and
Right.
so it's perfect cut. See this?
Yeah.
It's just all equal and all that. I just blow the puff because actually क्या होता है कई बार कटने के बाद कुछ टबैको के फ्रिकल्स रह जाते हैं फिर हम स्मोक करने में मुंह में आते
It can go
हैं.
in,
हाँ.
yeah.
तो I just and
Now,
then
Give it to me.
honor is
let
yours.
me do it.
Yeah, definitely it's yours. I want you to do it.
Let me see. Normally to do it like
Yeah,
this only.
yeah, little distance. Actually थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस रखेंगे ना उससे ओवर हीट नहीं होगा टबैको. अगर वो ओवर हीट हो जाएगा तो वो क्रैक हो जाएगा एकदम. तो कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ऑलराइट. अब आप एक पफ अभी आप लाइट करिए दोबारा से एंड नाउ यू कैन टेक इट ऑन डू द नॉर्मल थिंग.
Let me see.
Let me do it for you.
Yeah.
You do it. I'm gonna just blow the. Yeah, now. Yeah, keep doing it. And the best thing is you don't have to inhale it.
Yeah, you should not.
Yeah, because it's pure tobacco and human lungs are not designed to inhale the pure tobacco. Do it one more time. I'm gonna keep. You just keep puffing out. Okay, sir. Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
I'm liking it.
Liking it? Thank you.
Good. I like especially this tobacco is very different.
It has the wrapper and the binder inside it. It's actually grown in Nicaragua, but the type of blend they do it. Rick Rodriguez, the guy who is a master blender of this brand,
Yeah.
he actually ऐसा नहीं होता कि किसी ने भी उठा के बना दिया and it comes in the market. These are special people. They do the special job, which is called the blender's job. So now another brand.
Another brand,
Okay,
another flavor
another flavor, but
Try
with the
it
same
out.
cigar.
with the same cigar.
Definitely. Okay.
Let me-
Because it's gonna take a little while to smoke the whole lot. But it will be not taking too long.
Yeah.
Drink a bit of every.
अच्छा अभी तो हम ये पी रहे हैं. Now the other drink, the third drink is going to be totally different.
Totally different.
Yes.
Yeah, I like the surprises actually. Friends,
Right.
life is
Let's
all
keep
about
it there.
surprises. You know?
Again.
Cheers. Cheers.
Roll it on your tongue.
Very sweet actually.
And it goes down smoothly. You
बहुत
like it.
स्वीट लग रही है. तो जो पेयरिंग है green label and this Nicaraguan cigar, it's like oh my god, like I was just thinking like it's chocolate water है. Just very
And
smooth.
normally क्या करते हैं हम लोग ना, when the tasting session is on, and blind tasting we call it in the liquor trade, whether it's for beer or it's for liquor, नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि हम ग्लासेस सामने रख देते हैं 10 या 6 या 5 वट एवर हाउ मेनी ग्लासेस एंड वी आस्क दोज पीपल सिटिंग देयर टू रेट द whiskies, the aroma, the taste, everything about the whiskey, the smoothness also. And in between, when they change, we ask them to have a little cheese. You know, any cheese, homemade cheese or Amul cheese, whichever cheese. उससे क्या होता है? It absorbs whatever little whiskey you had before.
The taste goes disappears.
It goes. It sort of disappears, and then you can move to the second glass accordingly to the third glass.
Yes.
Then you can come out with the real comment, you know, on what exactly is the difference between them. You can rate those whiskies accordingly.
Okay. So this is how the rating goes and how the judging.
So now इस बार तो हमने चीज़ नहीं लिया.
Okay.
But इसके बाद जो हम लेंगे, we'll have a little cheese before that.
Definitely.
Instead of having a kaju or a badam or whatever.
Yeah. Definitely,
Right?
sir.
Have a little cheese.
हाँ जी.
Then go for the third one and see the difference.
So sir, आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, like we spoke on a phone and you told me like कि 4 decade. Friends, 4 decade means around 40 year plus. सर का एक्सपीरियंस है अल्कोहल, इंडियन अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री के अंदर.
Yes.
सो सर आप, मैं भी जानना चाहता हूँ और सभी लोग जानना चाहते हैं, हाउ यू गेट इनटू अल्कोहल बिजनेस एंड सच ए लॉन्ग टाइम पीरियड.
No, it's by chance, you know. Initially, you know, when I started my career, I started selling Horlicks.
Horlicks, okay, that was the first.
And I was a very thin chap. When I used to go to the retails along with my people to sell Horlicks, people used to laugh at me. "आप Horlicks बेचने आए?" You know? So then worked there for about a year and a half, and then moved on to corn products, where I was selling jelly, custard, baking powder, gelatin, and what all, you know.
So more of a FMCG guy.
FMCG.
Okay.
The number one companies.
Okay, that's right.
You know, both. And then I wanted, and this was in Mumbai, and I was alone. Then somebody called me up one day, one of the chaps who had seen me working in Mumbai. He called me from Delhi. He says, "Would you like to work for a company in liquor trade?" I said, "Tell me." And he offered me a job in Delhi.
Okay.
On phone, said, "But you'll have to come here for an interview with our general manager."
All right.
उस ज़माने general manager was the top guy.
Yeah, of course, definitely.
Not like presidents today or vice presidents.
No.
That time, in the year 1981, general manager was the top man, the head of the company. So I came out to Delhi, and he called me to his house. It was a holiday. वहाँ interview हुआ, and the GM tells me, "Okay, you can join from tomorrow." It was the UB Group.
Oh, UB Group.
Yeah.
Wow.
And UB Group had 3 companies that time, you know. The major companies were McDowell and Carrew Phipson. You remember Carrew Phipson is a company which used to make Blue Ribbon Gin, or which still makes today.
I think I was actually not even born back then when you was talking about your
December
career.
81.
Yeah. But हाँ, definitely बाद में सब चीजें पता चल गई. When you get to.
And I was given 5 states to look after, from one single Bombay and a part of Goa. Sometimes I used to visit in Mumbai, and suddenly I get 5 states, and the workload became very heavy suddenly. And the learning was great. So I had joined a company which was definitely not a great leader that time, but it was the fastest growing company that time, and it really came up, you know. And that is how it started. So हमने पूरा 14 साल वहाँ टाइम बिताया अपना. You can call
so
it.
that was the first crack in alcohol, and you spent 14 years in straight one.
different states, yeah. क्या हुआ? UB ग्रुप में 3 कंपनी थी.
ठीक है.
अपनी अपनी विस्कीज और ब्रांडीज और वोडका व्हाटएवर थी. उस समय वोडका भी नहीं थी एक्चुअली.
Okay.
McDowell and company had started introducing vodka into India.
Okay.
There was a vodka called Red Tsar.
Red Tsar, okay.
And which we were launching in India all over. And people didn't know what a vodka was. उस समय लोगों को जिन मालूम था.
जिन मालूम था. The same exactly situation. अभी फ्रेंड्स मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा, सेम एग्जैक्टली सिचुएशन जैसा सर ने बताया कि इनिशियल स्टेज में वोडका आया, लोगों को पता नहीं था क्या करना है. तो सेम इनिशियल स्टेज में जब सिगार आए हैं, इंडिया मार्केट में सिगार काफ़ी टाइम से अवेलेबल हैं, प्लस 20 years. बट जो सिगार स्मोकर्स हैं वो बहुत कम हैं, लाइक हैंडफुल ऑफ पीपल ओनली. बट हाँ, मैं जो आपसे शेयर करता हूँ, मैं जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको बताता हूँ, वो यही है कि सर बेसिकली क्या कि वो जो 95 वाला सिचुएशन थी ना, वो सिचुएशन को मैं यहाँ बिल्ड करके 2000 के अंदर 21st सेंचुरी के अंदर थोड़ा उस चीज़ को फास्ट अप करके ताकि पीपल गेट टू नो मोर अबाउट द सिगार सो दे विल बी इंजॉय मोर फ्लेवर ऑफ इट इन देयर लाइफ.